yeah.
Ryan on it too.
What? Pulling up to my little hidden spot. Pulled up in the spot. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that stance right there. Let me get that on the film. Ooh, that's pretty. Man. YouTube, what's going on today? I hope you guys are having another good day. Today is Monday. I got some time off and I'm trying to bring you guys a video at least once a day for this entire week. That's right. I didn't mess up. I didn't stutter. I'm trying to bring you guys a video, at least one video every day this week, trying to get you guys some content, okay? Purpose of this video is one of the subscribers, I hope you're subscribed if you're watching this, he went ahead and 2 videos ago, he mentioned, when I mentioned in the video where I installed the switchbacks, he said he wanted to see a certain type of video because I said, hey, if you guys want to see a certain type of video, let me know, I can make it happen. And he sure enough did, and it was a really good video. It's a really good comment he dropped. He said, hey man, you should make a walk around video of your truck, talking about all the stuff you got done to it, and how much it cost you. So I'm delivering that. I wrote down all of the expenses on my truck so far, and this is just parts and stuff. This doesn't include oil. This doesn't include routine maintenance like when I did my U-joints, my wheel bearings, my tie rods. It doesn't include stuff like that. This is only aftermarket, you know, parts installing on the truck, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get this started, and I'm gonna do the walk around. But real quick, while you're watching this video, if you like it, do me a huge favor and give me that thumbs up, because as you guys know, that helps out the channel tremendously, and I really appreciate you guys. I don't want the wind to mess up the camera. I don't have a wind mic yet. And I really appreciate you guys watching the channel, watching my videos, checking out all my content. You guys are badass. I'm grateful for you guys, and I appreciate you guys, all right? So nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this started. All right, you guys, so, oh man, that is really bright. Hold on a second. There we go, my bad. So as you can see here, I have a whole notepad of everything I have done to the truck. I went ahead and popped the hood for you guys so you can see it. Oh man, that's a nice shot too right there. Oh my goodness, wow. Let's just take a moment to just take it in real quick. All right, done. So I'm gonna go ahead and start, okay? Coming in at number 1 is going to be a CCV delete, okay? I did this, was like one of the first videos I did on my truck when I bought it. It is deleted, but I actually have a video coming up soon. You guys can see down there where I plugged it. I got a video coming up soon because that is actually gonna be going away, and I think you guys are gonna enjoy this video, and it's gonna be really helpful. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be tuned for that. CCV delete. 40 bucks, all right, 40 bucks. Next one up is going to be a grid heater delete. Now, obviously you can't see that one, but what you can see is my grid heater delete plate, okay? Grid heater delete plate, 120 bucks. Got that off of eBay. Next one up is right on top of it. It's gonna be the intake horn. Intake horn is another $120. It did come unpainted, and I went ahead and painted it. Now I know a lot of y'all got some good eyes and y'all commented because y'all saw me missing that boost bolt. I have the bolt. I was not able to put it back in last time I took the horn off because I was rushing. I know all of the negative things that can happen. Don't worry, I'm gonna put it in. Don't tear me up in the comments, okay? All right, coming in next is going to be rock lights. Now, a lot of you don't know this, but I do have rock lights on the truck, okay? I have them on all 4 wheels. They're just a basic $50 eBay RGB rock lights, and they do work, but when I started having the charging issues and the battery issues, I disconnected them because I did have them connected to the battery. I'm going to hook them back up once I get a post terminal extension, so I'll be able to hook up all my auxiliary wires and stuff, so that way it's all going to be on pretty much one system. It's going to look real clean. Rock lights for 50 bucks. Now everything I'm mentioning, also I do have videos for every single thing, so I challenge you, go to my channel, check out the playlist. It's called the Cummins build, and you can see day 1 what I started with this truck, okay? So highly recommend checking that out, all right? Next one's going to be a fuel rail plug. Now this one, I don't know why, but you guys, not you guys, but there are some people, and they comment and they don't even know what they're saying, but they commented like, dude, you're an idiot. You put that thing in there, the relief valve is made to be there. Hey, do your research before you come at me, because I'm gonna come back at you with some fire if you don't have any supporting evidence, okay? We got a thing in the military where you don't come up to somebody saying you're fucked up unless you got a solution to fix it. So I'm pretty much like that with my channel. So I got a review video, I got an installation video, I got all sorts of research into the rail plug. So if you want to challenge me on that, by all means bring it, because I'm ready any day. Rail plug was cheap, 20 bucks, okay? Next thing up we got is the AirDog 4G, AirDog 2 4G, sorry, 165 gallons per GPH. I'm pretty sure that's gallons per hour if I'm not tripping. All right, you guys, I got this installation too. I'm also rocking a little sump back there. It's just a little cheap sump from Rudy's Diesel. It works perfectly fine. I don't need no XDP and all those expensive $100 sumps. That sump right there works good. It doesn't leak. It gets fuel to my truck. That's all I need. AirDog 2 4G coming in at what, $620, okay? I did pay, I got a screaming deal on it, okay? It was an AirDog kit with the sump, and I got that for $620. It was an open box special, so it was pretty much a customer bought it and opened it, never used anything, still has the full warranty on it, and I got that for I don't know why I keep saying 100. I got that for 620 bucks, okay? Next one up is going to, now I combined this because this was a kit when I bought it, okay? It's going to be the EGR DPF Delete along with a tuner, cold air intake, and the 5-inch Flow Pro exhaust, okay? I am running a straight pipe. I'm not getting down there, fuck that. Actually, I'll come back here and show y'all. I am running a straight pipe Flow Pro with a axle dump along with an 18-inch tip. There you go, you guys can see it there, okay? All of that combined was, I put 1,300, it came out to 1,280. It was 1,280 for the whole kit. Came with the Mini Max, the S&B cold air intake, the exhaust, and the delete plates, the coolant reroute hose, okay? So hopefully this manifold, the exhaust manifold, won't be in this truck too long. Hint, hint. All right, so that was, I put 1,300, so 1,300. Next up is going to be a Mishimoto intercooler, okay? I am running a Mishimoto intercooler with the upgraded boost pipes, okay? I got a video on this also. This came out, I got a screaming deal on this too. Mishimoto intercooler, $520, okay? I don't know what happened. It was the time of the year. You guys can see the boost pipes down there. But I was on eBay just scrolling, and I was looking for intercoolers, and then all of the intercoolers were going for 900 bucks. Just the intercooler alone, 900 bucks. I don't know what happened, but long story short, this company had some, and they were selling them for 650 bucks. The whole thing, the whole kit for 650 bucks. They only had 3 in stock. And I saw that, I was like, this has to be something wrong. So I read the description, everything, it all checked out good. So then, if you know eBay, you can make an offer. I made the offer for, what'd I say, how much, 520, and they accepted it, and I'm like, holy shit. So yeah, I ended up getting a screaming deal on a Mishimoto intercooler, and up to this moment, this is probably the best performance mod upgrade I have done to my truck, hands down. Mishimoto intercooler. AirDog is second, and AirDog is a good installation, a good mod, but I'm telling you, that is a noticeable, highly recommended upgrade. Next one is going to be the Raptor liner. So I did Raptor line the bed. You guys know I made a video on that back in like April, I think. I did Raptor line it. It came out good. There is a couple scrapes because I do use my bed, and I only put 1 coat instead of 2. Raptor line was affordable. It was only 90 bucks. It was a good deal, So 90 bucks for Raptor liner. Next one up is going to be a steering brace. Now you guys with the Dodges, you guys know our steering is pretty much crap up to 4th gen. 4th gen, they did some reworking and stuff. So if you get under here, you can see the steering brace that goes across, okay? I did install that. That was a good install. 90 bucks for that. Next one up is going to be glow shift gauges. And you guys like that one too. You guys always comment on my glow shifts, man. I love them, dude. Glow shift gauges, all right? $280 for some glow shift gauges. I went ahead and upped it. You could get them for $225, I think, but I went ahead and opted up for the fuel pressure gauge because I wanted to be able to keep an eye on my fuel pressure coming from the air dog, because that's a very important parameter you want to keep an eye on. So definitely. All right, next one up is going to be tires, wheels. Okay, tires and wheels is a combo because I did buy them in a combination. Okay, so I went ahead and I got them, and it was a kit, so 1,600 bucks. Okay, I got a really good deal on these. Normally these amp tires go for about 900 for this size, 35 by 12.5 on a 20. The rims, they go for about 880. These rims are actually very affordable. If you did not know, check them out. The rims are a Vision Rocker 412. Okay, that is the model name of those rims, Vision Rockers 412. So that was 1,600 bucks, tires and wheels. Next one coming in is the Rough Country lift. Now you guys probably already know about this one because I had my last video, I talked about it. Rough Country lift, 5-inch lift with the drop brackets for the control arms, $6.99. All right, pretty good deal. Same thing, open box. Customer never used any of this stuff. I snatched it up. They knocked off 200 bucks. I snatched that thing up in a heartbeat. I found that on eBay also. Let's see. Oh, steering stabilizers. Steering stabilizers in the front, dual steering stabilizers in the front, did not come with the truck. I bought that separately, same time I ordered the kit. That was 99 bucks. A awesome installation. I'm telling you right now, if you're running oversized tires on your truck, you need get you a dual steering stabilizer kit. I'm telling you, man, you're gonna love it. It's a good installation. It's good. It's good. Just trust me. Take my word for it. It's good. All right. Next thing up is going to be the LED fog lights. That was just a cheap 20 bucks. Got that off Amazon. After that, we got the projector headlights. All right, a lot of you guys comment telling me you love the headlights, you love the way they look. I love it too. Thank you guys for the love. Real quick, let me know what y'all think. Think about so I'm gonna get some tape and I'm gonna do a clean line, okay? And then I'm gonna paint the top white. So that way, the idea is that it's gonna flow with this side fender right here, and it's gonna flow white because these are some huge ass headlights. They're like bug eyes. They're super big. So I'm thinking about doing that. And then what I wanted to do was I wanted to get some vinyl wrap, and then the rest of it, I'm gonna vinyl wrap it with a very light smoke tint on it. And I have the wrap at the house actually. Let me know what y'all think about that. If y'all would like to see that, I can make that a video. You guys know I don't have a problem with that. Next one is gonna be the LED tail lights. LED tail lights came out to, I'm not gonna walk back there. LED tail lights came out to 120 bucks for the LED tail lights. They came ready, plug and play. I won't walk back there, I lied. They came ready. All I had to do is plug them up, install them, and they look amazing. I love them. Okay. Next one we got are some 4th gen tow mirrors. Now this does not include painting them. This is just the tow mirrors. Okay. The tow mirrors alone was $125, but I went ahead and took it to a paint shop to get them professionally colored matched to my truck, and you can see right now they look amazing. And you guys know, if you watched that video, I had a problem where they didn't want to paint all of it, so I had to take it back to them, get it repainted. So we went ahead and took care of that. All right, almost done, guys. Hang in with me. Next one up is going to be the 8-inch tip. That tip was 50 bucks. I already showed you guys what the tip looked like on the exhaust. That was a cheap $50 tip from eBay. I didn't need an MBRP stamp tip or Sinister Diesel's tips for 120 bucks. Fuck that. Got me a $50 tip. It sounds great. It gives it a nice tone when I'm cruising on the road. And honestly, the cab noises ain't even that bad, really. It's actually pretty good. Pretty good. Tints are gonna come in at $225. All right. I went ahead. The back were tinted. I went ahead and got the fronts matched. I went with a 5% tint on the front, and I went ahead and got the windshield tinted. I believe it's either 50 or 35%. Cannot remember. And then on top of that, went along and got the brown put on the top. So the tints, man, it clashes, man. It's like a beautiful Oreo. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. All right, so tints. Last but not least, I feel like a salesman talking about all this, is the Quadzilla boost fooler. Okay, what was that? 62 bucks. And I did that pretty recently too. Quadzilla boost fooler down there chilling, doing its own little thing. It does work. It does work. I noticed over time from just using it that it works better when you're driving. It doesn't work that noticeable from a stop, but when you're on the highway cruising and you get on it, dude, that spool up is definitely a little bit quicker. Definitely a little quicker. So let me know what y'all think. Grand total. All right, you guys, grand total comes out to $6,430, okay? That is the total after everything I just spilled off to you. I wrote it all down here. I mean, you can see it. If you guys pause the video, you can watch everything. And this is it, okay? So, I keep hearing something over there. I don't know what it is. Probably an animal or something. But, yep. So let me know what y'all think, all right? We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get in the truck, wrap this up. Oh, real quick. I went ahead, changed out my battery terminals. I did this side's negative, and I sprayed it with some battery conditioner. And I went ahead and did this side's positive. Came out dope. I like it. Show y'all that real quick. Everything hooked up good. I went ahead, it was $6 for the terminals. Everything looks good, all right? So we're gonna go ahead, wrap this video up, and call it a day. All right, you guys, that is it, all right? So, just that video, this video is just to pretty much tell you that, you know, it does cost money. It does cost money to do this. You know, I'm not rich. I'm not sponsored. I'm a regular dude. Okay, I don't get paid tons of money where I could just be like, oh no, drop it all. I mean, that's why half of my videos I tell you guys, you know, where to look this up at, get the best deal, or saying, hey, you don't need to buy overpriced, high name parts. You get this part and it's gonna do just as good as the expensive brand ones. But it takes time. You can get it done. Put your mind to it, and you can get it. Okay, if you want it, you can get it. All you gotta do is take time. It's patience. Okay, this does not happen overnight. A lot of times, what happens is people rush. People rush because they just want to get to the end goal. But when you take your time and do it the way you want it to be done, that's when it's the best, because you can really cherish it. I mean, since I've started the channel, started doing all the mods to the truck, I can't even think of like selling it. You know what I'm saying? Like in my mind, I'm like, what do I even put for sale? Because like me, because I'm the owner, if I want to sell it, I'm going to put everything I've done to it, you know, and I'm going to have passion behind it, you know, feelings, because I did this. So, you know, that's what it is, man. So, you guys, until next time, let me know what y'all think of this video. I definitely think it was a good video. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like change the scenery. Changing the scenery up, you know, like go to open field where there's not a lot of people around. I think it's cool. I like it. It's a nice scene for a photo shoot and stuff. So let me know what y'all think about that stuff, okay? But until next time, like always, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss out on what's going to be coming up for the channel soon. Channel's taking off. It's doing phenomenal. I thank you guys so much. And until next time, y'all take it easy. Peace out. Be safe. Real quick, I think I'm going to do a video on how I get my rims clean like this. You'd be surprised. So if you guys want to see that too, let me know. Just drop it down in the comments.